What does one normally drink with a dish like this, Jarobi?
Champagne, duh.
Champagne it is.
The $Zillion frittata. Pound of lobster, 10 ounces of caviar. This is the real deal, y'all.
Persian style frittata.
Right.
This frittata is gonna be as good as the $1 zillion frittata.
We're here today in beautiful New York City. We're gonna go to Norma's, which is housed inside the Parker Meridian Hotel.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
I actually found an old ID of yours.
Oh, I left my Jedi license.
Yes.
How could I?
Yes. So $1 zillion frittata.
I'm so excited for you to taste this because your mouth is gonna explode.
We got this.
Chef Emil, how are you doing, man?
Nice meeting you.
Fantastic. So we're here at Norma's today.
That is right.
What's the difference between an omelet and a frittata?
A frittata actually, fancy name, Italian.
Okay.
To say omelette. So we are going to start by roasting the lobster tail. I poach them first for 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, smells so good right now.
Now we are going to put this in the oven for a minute.
Okay.
Next one, we are going to do the potatoes. So put some butter there all over the place.
This is your creation.
My creation was created 13 years ago. Now we are going to break the eggs, a little bit of chives, a little bit of flavor, to put a little bit of cream because the eggs by themselves may not have so much flavor. Now the lobster, we have the lobster claw.
Yeah.
It goes inside the omelette itself. We go with the eggs, go back to the fire.
The simplest and the most difficult thing to make.
I always heard that. A few minutes in the oven, you are going to have it perfect. It takes time.
Yes.
Potato by potato. Beautiful.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Keep it here.
And you're putting more lobster on the top.
It's a whole lobster.
2 minutes in the salamander.
Right.
Okay.
This is a lobster sauce.
Oh, we got the lobster stock, some cream, and then add some butter. Oh, somebody give me a coffee cup full of this, okay? I'm ready to taste this, chef. This is what dreams are made out of.
Now we are going to add the caviar.
What kind of caviar is
This
this?
is Huckleback. It's local. It's American.
Planting his flag in Mountain Delicious. That is amazing. I can't wait to dig into this. Phil Gilmour.
Bring me my caviar.
Chefy. Dude, do you see?
Wow. Yes. This is the fun part. You ready? Dollop of caviar on yours.
To get the bite of the potato,
Yeah.
the lobster.
Oh my God. And the first thing I tasted was just the egg. As soon as the caviar, those eggs start popping.
That's not for American caviar. That's kind of banging.
There's so many good American caviars coming out. It's neat too because I've never had caviar that's this warm. It's usually like kind of ice cold.
The caviar is like a nice sweater to hold everybody together. There's some amazing stuff there.
Oh my God, it is banging. Each individual element, like the potatoes are perfect, the eggs are perfect, the lobster's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It's the most delicious frittata that I've ever tasted before.
If I was a zillionaire,
Right.
I literally would eat this every day.
Why do you have me in Brooklyn?
Golda's over here in Bed-Stuy.
Right.
They got a frittata that is gonna blow you away. So I would rather have 200 of these any day.
That, let's
Let's
go
go eat
try
a
it out.
frittata.
Let's go.
Chef Ryan, thank you so much for having me,
Phil,
man.
nice to have you in.
Yeah, I talked to your frittata up a lot.
So this is the dish, the Middle Eastern dish called kuku, which is a Persian-style kind of frittata. We do ours with a little spinach. We got our raisins in there. This has got herbes de Provence. There's a little bit of winter savory, oregano. There's some lavender in there for like this floral kind of effervescence. We're gonna add a little of this pureed egg mixture here, which is gonna be eggs pureed with a little bit of salt and butter.
I hate it when I get a frittata and there's too much egg. That's my favorite frittata, is when there's just enough egg to bind everything together.
Yeah, and that's very, very traditional with the kuku.
So I know you kind of do like a seasonal menu. Is this one of the original things?
I had doubts about it at first, but you know, everybody's been ordering, and fortunately it's a dish that I can kind of keep everything around.
Frittata for all seasons.
Yeah, so I'm toasting up a little bread just to go with this and add starch to it. All right, so we're good to go. Yeah, this is Jacobson sea salt. It's got a great crunchy texture. It adds like a flavor burst almost. We got a little bit of lemon juice on here, season it up with a little bit of acid. Fromage blanc, it's like a French white cheese.
Wow.
With sourdough breadcrumbs. It's gonna add a little bit of crunch, a little bit of texture to the dish. So these are Sauvignon Blanc grapes that are rehydrated with Sauvignon Blanc vinegar. They're dehydrated again so that they're super, super tart. Black truffle oil. It's house-made chili vinegar. You just really need those bright acids to kind of pull spinach out of the dirt.
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna take this out to Jarobi, man.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
I've been hard at work in the kitchen for you, sir.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing.
It might be hot.
The raisin with the fromage blanc and the spinach, they are bedfellows.
I know a lot of people hate on truffle oil a lot, which you just put just a tiny drizzle on.
The truffle oil, the cheese, and the raisins. That together is magical.
These flavors are things I crave. Great bread, too.
The $Zillion frittata is like going to opera.
Yeah.
Where this is just like, you know, good old jazz.
Exactly.
Warm feeling,
Exactly.
you know what I mean?
So good, man.
Quality doesn't have a price. It's in the preparation, the articulation, and the love.
Do I have any caviar in my beard?
My goodness, both of those frittatas were amazing.
This one is just comfort food, man. We are in bedside.
That's
man.
right.
And I think we both agree, man. The lemon and the
Lemon
chili vinegar
at the
killed it.
end tied it together. I did not think that we're gonna come here to Golda and we're gonna get a frittata and we'll be able to compete.
And it was so delicious. The $1 Zillion frittata, I've known about that for over a decade. It was
10 ounces
amazing.
of caviar.
It was one of the best dining experiences I've ever had. Yeah,
You
it
know
was
what I mean?
classic cuisine, man.
Things could be different prices, but the same quality. Golda proved that to us just now.
Exactly,
You know what I
exactly.
mean? Thank you again. It's your boy Jarobi White from Tribe Called Quest. Until next time.
I'm almost full.
Almost full.
Yeah, I could use one more frittata.